In this video, I'm going to teach you how to group all of your layers. Now, for this example, I have a lot of logos here. They're all on different layers. They're all, separate things here. So an easy way to group all of your layers is to select the top layer, hold down Shift and select the other one. That way they're all selected, and you can hit Command G, or you can, if you're on a Mac, or you can go up to Layer, scroll down and select Group Layers. Now from this point, all of your logos are in one folder. This actually makes a folder, and you can even hit the eye icon and everything will disappear. And the last thing you can do is actually name the group or name the folder. That way you can easily organize everything that you have. If you have a lot of files, a lot of layers, a lot of pictures, a lot of fonts, and all those things, you can easily just make groups and keep everything organized. If this was helpful to you, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.